Here is an honest room tour of the new Moxy on the Lower East Side. Okay, stay tuned for side-by-side comparisons. So when you first walk in, you got the thermometer and you immediately see the bathrooms. So they showed this online, but they did not open the doors. So I'm gonna open it and show it to you guys. Full disclosure, got some shaky hands. I was traveling this day. But when you come in, you see the full length mirror along with the luggage little stand there. You also get some hanging space over here along with like a newsletter of what's going on. So now one half of the sliding door is the toilet, which comes with a trash can and a recycling bin. It is the only two in the whole room, and there is no sink in here. It is just a toilet. Okay, then on the other side you have the stand and shower with the custom or customary shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff. There is no connector to the toilet, so you have to go in and out and around. Okay, and these do slide as well as lock. Now there is some more hanging space because it is New York, it's cold, you need your jackets. They also have really good ventilation in here. I was really surprised at how cool and warm it can get and how fast. So then as you curve this way, you could see the little vanity area. Now, I assumed online that there would be another sink in that toiletry room like I told you earlier. No, this is the only sink in the hotel room. And you do get the towels. I just got room service and did not give me towels, girl. And then you get this little table. Now, with the mini fridge, this executive suite does come with a mini fridge, but you do have to ask, okay? And they will put it under the table and remove the chair that was originally under there. Look, you see the little chair in the corner. Comfy chair. It's really cute. Then you have the flat screen in the center of the windows as shown online, with this awesome view of the city, of Bowery, of the Lower East Side. You can see the Empire State. You can see all types of stuff over there. At night, it looks awesome. And yeah, it's pretty true to what they said online. I was really, really pleased. The floor to ceiling, it was giving. You also get this phone on the wall. That's to call downstairs to ask for more sheets. I had to get more towels. They do room service, customary once a day. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering, where do you put your stuff? So you do get a safe right here, and then you get two cubbies on each side of the bed to put your bags, your shoes, whichever. This is the other side of the bed where the cubbies are as well. But on the other side of the window, this is your like corner view window. You do see other hotel guests. So be mindful, keep your window closed, okay? If you're, because again, there's no room. It's kind of like a studio apartment of a hotel room. So you're pretty exposed. So be mindful of that. But the view is amazing. So here are some cons about the room, okay? There's no room service. There's no microwave. And unless you got the room that I got, you're not getting a fridge. Okay, there's no closet. All right, there is no bathroom. You see my bed? It's giving New York studio apartment for real. Like for real. Online, it does look like it's going to be bigger than it is. It's not as big as you think it is, so keep in mind, I would not stay here for a long period of time. This is definitely a weekend getaway type of space. The microwave thing really did kill us too. So like if you're planning on trying to save some food to eat later no, there's no microwave. Now let's end this video with some pros about the room. All in all, the view is amazing, especially if you are not from the city. This will definitely be picture worthy to say the least. The floor to ceiling windows, great. I love that there is ventilation. Two of the windows do crack open, so if you're somebody who gets a little anxiety moment from being high up, I really like that ventilation in there. I really liked the TV placement. I really liked the fact that everyone there was pretty accommodating, and I feel like and I know this doesn't have to do with the room, but I feel like the amenities within the hotel make up for the room because you find yourself not in the room as much. There's like a restaurant downstairs and like a club. This place is awesome. They got clubs in here. They got, outdoor deck. I didn't go in, girl. I just mingled with some people outside. But yeah, all in all, I really did like this room for my stay. If you guys would like to see my New York City vlog and what I did in this area, go ahead and check it out at the end of this video. It should be somewhere around here. But let me know if you stayed at this hotel. I had a lot of people asking me where I was. I probably won't stay at this specific one again. I'll probably try another Moxy in Brooklyn or something like that. But I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.